Today we'll be installing Heise LED's Universal Chase LED Underglow Kit, the HE-CHASE-UNDGKT on a 2021 Ford Bronco. To start this install, we're going to remove the four 15mm bolts holding the factory skid plate on. Using a 13mm socket, remove the two lower bolts that hold on the front bumper. Place the tube clamps over the LED tubes and secure it into the two factory locations on the bottom side of the bumper, and repeat on the other side of the vehicle. Once complete, route the wires up from the bumper area and with help of an assistant, replace the factory skid plate. Moving onto the center vehicle tubes. Locate the light tube in between the vehicle's tires. Using a 9/64 drill bit, make 3 pilot holes using the tube clamps to steady and center the drill bit. Using a 5/16 socket, screw in the self-tapping fasteners, securing the tubes onto the vehicle's frame. Routing the wire up the firewall to the controller. Repeat on the other side of the vehicle. Connect the rear tube to the mid tube and secure the tube clamps to two 13mm rear bumper bolts. Now under the hood, locate the existing factory ground point and loosen it with an 8mm socket. Ground the controller and tighten the bolts up. Using existing upfitter switch leads, strip the wires and connect the controller to 12-volt power. Take the supplied zip ties, secure the controller to the vehicle, and make all connections from each tube to the controller, keeping track of what comes from the left and right side of the vehicle. Remember, when routing and securing wires, try to avoid heat and pinch point areas of the vehicle, such as exhaust or where the body and frame meet on the vehicle. Once complete, turn vehicle to accessory and activate the aux switch. Connect your smartphone device to the Pro RGB app, and your install is complete. For any more information on this product, you can visit HeiseLED.com. Find us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 Volt.